So, on behalf of Fiji musicians, we'd like to acknowledge the 150% that you've offered the hotels who use our members, local musicians, to provide entertainment. And please inform us of your birth date, because our members would like to volunteer and provide entertainment for you free on that day.
I think, sorry, I should have mentioned that point, and I urge all the hoteliers here. I mean, this is a great initiative, I think, with 150% tax deduction, to use as many local artists. And again, it not only applies to hotels, but any business. You're going to bring in people to perform meke, you're going to, people are going to come and sing, people are going to come and dance. Whatever you pay to them is 150% tax deduction. And I think it's a very important initiative, and I'd like everybody to take up on that. Also linked to that, of course, all musical instruments, all spare parts of musical instruments, all the equipment that goes with music have also been zero rated. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Wish you a good afternoon. Thanks.